Every single year, Americans consume over 4 billion pounds of watermelon. But have you ever wondered how a whole melon becomes cold, sweet juice? Inside this extraordinary facility, 500,000 pounds of raw watermelon transforms into perfectly bottled juice every single day. Incredible. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how watermelon becomes juice. Every machine, every step, every stunning transformation. Let's go. This state-of-the-art watermelon processing plant operates 20 hours a day, 6 days a week, producing juice for markets across all 50 American states. The facility spans 240,000 square feet. That's nearly 4 football fields of cutting-edge food processing equipment, all under one massive roof. Over 380 skilled workers report here daily. They run the machines, monitor the lines, and ensure every single bottle meets strict USDA quality standards. Before any watermelon enters this facility, it travels an average of 340 miles from farms across Georgia, Florida, Texas, and California. Each truckload carries up to 40,000 pounds of watermelon. That's roughly 800 to 1,200 individual melons packed tight for the long haul. Dock supervisors log every delivery using digital tracking systems. Farm origin, delivery time, weight, and batch number, all recorded in real time. But here's where it gets fascinating. Before a single melon is cut, every batch goes through a rigorous inspection process most people never see. Inspectors check every melon for surface cracks, soft spots, mold, and irregular coloring. Any rejected melon never enters the processing line. Inspectors reject roughly 3 to 5% of every incoming shipment. Those melons get composted or redirected. Zero product goes to waste here. Approved melons move into the primary wash station, a powerful pre-rinse system that blasts each melon with 180-degree pressurized water jets. After the hot rinse, rotating brush rollers scrub every inch of the rind, removing field dirt, debris, and surface bacteria before processing begins. If you're learning something brand new today, go ahead and hit that like button right now. It truly helps this channel more than you know. Clean melons now enter a secondary UV sanitation tunnel, an ultraviolet light chamber that kills 99.9% of all remaining surface pathogens. Emerging from the UV tunnel, each melon weighs between 15 and 30 pounds. An automated scale system records and sorts them by exact weight class. Size sorting matters because different machines are calibrated for specific melon diameters. Precision sizing guarantees maximum juice extraction efficiency. Now the melons reach the most dramatic part of Phase 1, the industrial cutting station. And the speed of these machines is truly mind-blowing. These cutting machines process one melon every 4 seconds. But wait, the next step is where things get really interesting. Don't touch that screen. Each melon gets sliced into precise halves by a hydraulic guillotine blade exerting 2,200 pounds of force, cleaner and faster than any knife ever could. The two halves immediately fall onto a tilted catch tray, flesh side up, and slide into position for the next machine, the high-speed rind separator. The rind separator uses a curved stainless blade that follows the exact contour of the melon, scooping out every gram of red flesh in under 2 seconds. The hollow rinds don't go to waste. They ride a separate conveyor to a rind processing station where they become animal feed and organic compost material. Meanwhile, the red watermelon flesh moves forward into a seed extraction chamber, because seeds must be removed before juicing can begin. The seed extractor uses a rotating perforated drum spinning at 220 RPM. Flesh passes through the holes, seeds stay behind and drop into collection bins. Those extracted seeds are not discarded. Watermelon seeds fetch premium prices as roasted snacks and cold-pressed seed oil, worth up to $8 per pound. Seed-free watermelon flesh now enters a massive stainless steel hopper holding 8,000 pounds of pure, vibrant red fruit ready for juicing. A powerful auger system pushes the flesh forward continuously. That giant spiral screw moves 1,200 pounds of watermelon every single minute. Don't forget to subscribe. We drop factory videos every single week. Can you guess how long the next juicing stage actually takes? Comment below. Welcome to Phase 4, the heart of this operation. The watermelon flesh now enters the primary cold-press juicing system, and the results are extraordinary. The cold-press system operates at just 45 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping juice raw and nutrient-rich while 35,000 pounds of hydraulic force crushes every cell. Cold pressing preserves 40% more vitamins and antioxidants compared to heat-based juicing methods. That's the science behind every bottle on store shelves. The first press extracts 65% of the available juice. The pressed pulp isn't done yet. It goes back for a powerful second crushing cycle. The second pressing extracts an additional 28% of juice, meaning this remarkable system captures over 93% of all available watermelon liquid. The spent pulp, now just 7% of original fruit weight, exits the system and joins the rind in the compost stream. Not 1 gram wasted. Fresh pressed juice now flows through food-grade stainless pipes into the primary filtration system, traveling at 40 gallons per minute through this facility. The first filtration stage uses a 200-micron mesh screen that removes remaining pulp fibers and microscopic seed fragments from the fresh juice. That filtered juice then hits a second stage, a centrifuge spinning at 4,500 RPM, separating any remaining solids through pure centrifugal force. After centrifuge separation, the juice is now 99.8% pure liquid. Most people have absolutely no idea this happens next inside the factory. What happens next is pasteurization, a precise heat treatment that eliminates harmful bacteria while keeping every drop of natural watermelon flavor intact. Flash pasteurization heats the juice to exactly 185 degrees Fahrenheit for just 15 seconds, then instantly chills it back down to 38 degrees. Remarkably precise. That rapid chill happens inside a plate heat exchanger. 48 thin stainless plates stacked tight, carrying ice-cold water on one side, hot juice on the other. After pasteurization, the chilled juice enters a massive 12,000-gallon stainless holding tank, refrigerated, sealed, and waiting for the blend stage. The facility operates 8 of these massive tanks simultaneously, holding a combined 96,000 gallons of chilled watermelon juice at any given moment. Next comes the blending and formulation lab, where food scientists fine-tune the juice recipe for consistent taste, color, and sugar content every batch. Scientists test Brix levels, measuring natural sugar concentration in degrees. Every bottle must fall between 8.5 and 9.2 Brix for perfect sweetness. If Brix reads too low, scientists add concentrated watermelon extract, never sugar, to naturally correct sweetness without altering the pure juice profile. The blending tank uses a low-speed impeller mixing system, gentle enough to protect flavor molecules while achieving perfectly uniform batch consistency. We're exactly halfway through this remarkable journey. Share this with someone who loves learning how things are made, because the best part is absolutely coming. The approved juice blend now enters the nitrogen flushing station, where dissolved oxygen is purged to prevent oxidation and extend shelf life naturally. Nitrogen flushing extends the juice's natural shelf life from just 5 days to an impressive 45 days, without a single artificial preservative added. Now the juice reaches the bottle filling room, a completely enclosed, positive pressure clean room where airborne contamination is reduced to near zero.
Empty PET bottles arrive pre-formed and sterile, traveling upside down on a specialized conveyor, flipped right side up only at the precise filling point.
The rotary filling machine handles 800 bottles per minute. That's over 13 bottles filled with fresh watermelon juice every single second. Absolutely stunning. Immediately after filling, bottles pass under the nitrogen top-off station. A final burst of nitrogen gas displaces all remaining headspace oxygen above the juice. Every sealed bottle then passes through an inline check weigher, automatically rejecting any bottle that's even 0.2 ounces over or under the target weight. What you are about to see next is something only 1% of people ever witness: the most advanced vision inspection system in the entire food industry. Inside that tunnel lives a 48-camera machine vision system, scanning every bottle 360 degrees at 10,000 frames per second. Nothing escapes its digital eye. The AI vision system checks fill level, cap alignment, bottle clarity, label position, and seal integrity, all simultaneously in under 6 milliseconds per bottle. Any bottle failing even one parameter gets instantly rejected by a pneumatic pusher, firing in under 12 milliseconds with 40 pounds of precise air pressure. This extraordinary vision system inspects 800 bottles every minute, achieving a defect detection accuracy rate of 99.997%, virtually flawless performance. Phase 5. Quality control. Every 30 minutes, a quality technician pulls 12 random bottles from the live production line for hands-on laboratory testing. In the lab, technicians run 6 critical tests: pH, Brix, turbidity, color spectroscopy, microbial count, and taste panel evaluation, all within 18 minutes. The taste panel is particularly rigorous. 5 trained sensory evaluators score every batch on sweetness, aroma, color, mouthfeel, and finish. If any single test fails, even the taste panel, the entire 12,000-gallon production tank gets placed on hold. Quality is never compromised. Never. Like this video right now if you want to see more incredible behind-the-scenes factory content. This next step is the reason watermelon juice tastes so perfect. After QC approval, approved juice tanks flow into the flavor stabilization chamber, held at precisely 34 degrees Fahrenheit for exactly 4 hours. This 4-hour cold rest allows flavor molecules to fully bond and equilibrate, producing that clean, bright, perfectly balanced watermelon taste consumers love. After stabilization, the approved juice enters the label application system, where high-speed machines apply wraparound labels at 650 bottles per minute. The labeling machine uses servo-controlled tension, keeping label application pressure consistent to within 0.5 millimeters of position accuracy, perfectly straight, every time. Each bottle receives a unique production code laser-etched directly onto the cap, encoding factory location, production line, date, time, and batch number for complete traceability. Labeled coated bottles now enter the final automated inspection gate, a laser barcode reader confirming every label is scannable and every code is correct. This facility maintains an extraordinary 99.94% first-pass quality yield, meaning fewer than 6 bottles per 10,000 produced ever require rework or rejection. Before leaving quality control, every batch receives a certificate of analysis, a formal lab document certifying compliance with 47 separate food safety parameters. Certified batches enter the automated shrink wrap system, grouping bottles into 6 packs inside crystal clear polyolefin shrink film at 400 packs per minute. We're almost at the final stage now, and what happens in the next few minutes is the most satisfying part of this entire extraordinary journey. Welcome to Phase 6, Packaging and Shipping. 6-packs now enter the robotic case packing station, where articulated arms load 24 packs per case flawlessly. Each robotic arm moves with 0.1 millimeter positioning accuracy, guided by 3D vision sensors that adapt in real time to slight variations in pack position and size. Filled cases move to the automated tape sealing machine, applying industrial-strength pressure-sensitive tape, top and bottom, in under 1.8 seconds per case. A high-speed inkjet printer marks every case with shipping data, lot number, best by date, and a QR code linking consumers directly to batch test results. Sealed cases travel to the palletizing robot, a massive gantry arm stacking cases into precise pallet formations of 96 cases, each weighing 1,800 pounds fully loaded. Completed pallets roll into the automated stretch wrap station, a rotating arm spinning industrial plastic wrap around the pallet at 15 layers for maximum shipping stability. Wrapped pallets enter the refrigerated dispatch warehouse, maintained at a constant 36 degrees Fahrenheit, holding up to 8,000 pallets of finished product awaiting shipment. This facility ships over 2,400 pallets every single day, dispatching refrigerated trucks to distribution centers across all 50 states within 48 hours of production. From farm field to refrigerated truck, this extraordinary facility completes the entire watermelon juice journey in under 16 hours. Start to finish. Remarkable. Hit subscribe and tap that bell right now, because you absolutely do not want to miss our next incredible factory video dropping this week. Now let's take one final look at what we witnessed today, because the numbers behind this operation are truly staggering to comprehend. Every single day, this facility transforms 500,000 pounds of raw watermelon into 480,000 perfectly bottled units of pure watermelon juice. Every day. That's 175 million bottles produced annually, enough watermelon juice to fill over 26 Olympic swimming pools stacked rim to rim. Absolutely mind-blowing. This operation runs on 380 dedicated workers, 47 robotic systems, 8 miles of conveyor belt, and 0 grams of wasted watermelon. 0. Every single day. The next time you crack open a bottle of watermelon juice, you'll know exactly what it took. The machines, the science, the people, and the precision. American manufacturing at its finest, where extraordinary precision, cutting-edge technology, and genuine human skill combine to create something truly remarkable. If this video opened your eyes to the incredible world of American manufacturing, drop a comment below telling us which step surprised you most. Every week we go deep inside America's most fascinating factories, from potato chips to steel beams to commercial aircraft. Subscribe so you never miss one. Watch our next video right now. It's already queued up for you. Click the screen, sit back, and let us take you inside another extraordinary American factory. This has been Inside a Modern Watermelon Processing Plant. Thanks for watching. We'll see you inside the next factory.